So we'll be using the whole grain flaxseed, not grounded, not crushed. I got this from a supermarket for about 3,300 naira. This is 340 grams. And yes, you would also be needing a container where you are going to store your gel after you've made it. Also, you'll be needing a strainer, so this could be in the form of a cloth, a socks, just anything that you use to strain. Don't use sieve because these seeds are really tiny and they can go through the holes of a sieve, so use a cloth, it's better. So the first step is to add water into the pot we're going to use to boil this our flax seeds. I'm going to be using 1.5 glass of water for the amount of flaxseed I want to use. If you're keen on measurements, measure. If not, you can use your eye level to gauge the water. No serious rule. Then I just use the container cover to measure, one container cover of flaxseed. Yes, for my boiling. So some people use 1 cup, half cup. Just use your eye to just gauge the whole measurement. I'm really not keen on measurements. So the next step is to heat up our flax seeds. I'll be using low to medium heat for this process, and it doesn't take time for this to start boiling. In less than 5 minutes it will start boiling, so you allow it to boil until you get the consistency we are looking for. So there is this particular jelly consistency that you will begin to see. Also, I would advise you stir occasionally, just so that the flaxseed doesn't stick onto the pot. And we await the consistency we are looking for. So at this point it is really boiling, and I'm beginning to see this jelly consistency. I'm not going to make it so thick, but now that I'm seeing this consistency, it's time to turn off the heat. So now that you've turned off the heat, the thing about flaxseed is that on cooling it gets thicker. So I like it like this so that it will be easy for me to sieve, so you can see the gel being formed. So now it's time to sieve. We're going to be sieving into our container. I'm just going to get my sieve cloth thingy, and just pour in my gel, which is still kind of hot, but I don't want this thing to be too thick. If not, it will be so somehow sieving. So as you can see, the gel is forming. It's still liquidy, but with time it's going to cool off. So I'm just going to sieve and sieve. So this is our end product. This is what our gel is looking like now. It's still kind of liquid, but I'm just going to allow it to cool. So I saw some people online add essential oils and whatnot, but I didn't add any to this. So to preserve this, you keep it in the refrigerator. If you refrigerate it, it can stay up to 1 week, 2 weeks. If you add essential oils, it can stay longer. Maybe the next one I would add that. So I'm just going to show you how good this gel is with some pictures.